Hi everybody. Today we did one-step inequalities, and I want you to remember that because now we are doing two-step, which is just an extension of that. So all of these problems are going to end in a one-step inequality, which you can do, and I'll show you how to get there. Okay, this is all the rules we've had before still apply. So right here we have negative 2x minus 6 is less than negative 10. So we draw our line down, and what's the first thing? Again, an inverse operation. So we are subtracting 6, so we're going to add 6, so plus 6 plus 6. I keep my less than sign. Negative 10 plus 6, what is that? Negative 4. And these cancel out, and we have negative 2x is less than negative 4. This is just the kind of problem you were dealing with earlier today. Okay, again, inverse operation. So we are multiplying by negative 2, so we're going to divide by negative 2. Okay, negative 2x divided by negative 2 is x, and negative 4 divided by negative 2 is positive 2. Okay, question, which way should the sign go? Did we multiply or divide? We did, right? We divided. Look at this division sign right here. And was the number we divided by negative? Yes, it was. So that means we changed the sign. So the sign is now greater than. Okay? So we have x greater than 2. Okay, I make a little circle around the 2. This is an open circle because this is a greater than sign. Okay? And I shade to the right. Shade to the right. Okay, that is our answer to number 1. Okay, let's keep going. Remember, if you can do a one step like we did today and yesterday, you should be okay. It's just one more thing that's happening at the beginning. Okay, 4x minus 3 is greater than 9. First step, we have to add 3, right? Because up here we were subtracting 3, so now we're adding 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 4x minus 3 plus 3, those cancel, so we have 4x. Okay, what was our inverse operation? We added. And adding is not multiplying or dividing, so I keep the sign the same, so greater than. Okay, another inverse operation. 4x, that means 4 times x, so I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. Okay, 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4x divided by 4 is x. Okay, which way should the sign go? Did I multiply or divide? I did, I divided. Okay, what number did I divide by? Was it negative? No, I divided by positive 4, so the sign does not change. I have x greater than 3. Okay, so this graph is going to look very similar to the one above. I draw a circle at 3. I don't fill it in because there's no equal to, right? This is strictly greater than 3. And I shade again to the right and draw an arrow because this is going forever and ever. Okay, last one. Okay, first inverse operation. We are subtracting 5, so I'm going to add 5. Negative 14 plus 5, that is negative 9. These cancel, so I bring down the negative 3x. What should my symbol be? Well, did I multiply or divide? No, I added. So the sign stays the same. We keep our greater than or equal to sign. Okay, one more inverse operation to go. We are going to divide by negative 3. On both sides. Okay, negative 9 divided by negative 3, that's going to be a positive 3. And now, what's negative 3x divided by negative 3? That is positive x. Okay, does the sign change? Did I multiply or divide? I did, I divided. Okay, what number did I divide by? Was it negative? I divided by a negative 3. So now the sign flips. X is less than or equal to 3. X is less than or equal to 3. Alright, so that's interesting. The question before we had x greater than 3, now we have x less than or equal to 3. This graph is going to be the exact opposite of the graph above. Right? If you're not greater than something, you must be less than or equal to it. So I draw a circle. Do I fill it in? This time I fill it in because I have that equal to. I have that line under the inequality symbol. So I fill it in because x could be 3. We want to show that x could be 3. And x is less than 3. Where are the numbers less than 3? They are to the left of 3. So I shade in that direction. Draw an arrow. And that's all, folks. All you need to remember is all the rules that we've done so far are the same. It's just that you need to remember to flip the sign when you divide or multiply by a negative. Okay, remember the golden rule. Okay, have a good one.